Hello everyone, we are here to present on Red River Metis Nation. I'm Indrapal Singh and joining me today are my team members Dipanshu Sharma, Sagar, Sukhman Singh and Geeta Rani.
If we talk about the overview, Metis can refer to the historic Metis community in Manitoba River settlement, or it can be used as a general term for anyone with mixed European and Aboriginal heritage. And the Red River is the original root of Metis Nation. Along with that, their official language is Mishif. They have multi layer stories which are connected with the spirituality. Metis governance is run by a president who commands to the nation, and their crucial decision was taken by the president, and Metis sovereignty revolves around the land and treaty rights. Next.
So our next slide is about the indigenous ways of knowing. Like we everyone knows, and we everyone we study about the indigenous ways of knowing. So here I'm going to talking about their cultural practices, spirituality, and the traditions about the Metis nation as well. So their cultural practices was like about the Metis sash. They it was like the woven like the three threads, and it was like about the 3 meters long, different colors threads, and to make some different kinds of meaning. And they also did different kinds of fiddle music and jigging for the fiddle music means like to collab the two natures of the Europeans bring their music like their instrument, and the Metis nation bring their music and they collab each other and make the fiddle music. So the next thing is the spirituality. There they practice about their folk culture. They produce like different kinds of music and different kinds of trends at that time, and their main tradition was the storytelling. They still exist in the story because of their storytelling. They tell their stories about how they fight for their self governance, for fight for their lands as well. So the different embroidery artisans and the visual artist was also their main trend in that time. So our next slide will be presented by the Sukhman Singh.
We have learned about the how the structure of the society worked at that time. The main duty was given to the chiefs of the house. They used to make the relationships and build relationships. Moreover, they have responsibilities to run the families and to make trade, to make treaties, and they also were responsible for the fights. The main duty on them was to save their society and to fight for the danger when they had when there was any danger for them. Moreover, they build good relationship with the newcomers also. The chiefs were the main responsible for the development of the society. The next society, next slide, please.
Taking further to sovereignty issues, Red River Metis Nation has faced a number of sovereignty issues dealing with question about their own self-governments and conditions. So these challenges frequently involves conversations about their recognition, rights, and ability to make their own decision. So, understanding and addressing the sovereignty issues very important for Red River Metis Nation to support and build up their unique cultural identity with a broader context of governance and recognition.
So the next slide will be presented by the Sagar. So here you go, Sagar.
If I talk about the learning experience as a group, like when we were making this presentation, we got to know about plenty of new thing about the Metis nation, and they have very hard struggle while holding their rights on land and everything about the landing of Europeans on their culture. And understand, if I talk about the Metis culture, it made us clear how important it is acknowledge and to admire their unique histories and their viewpoints. And the next slide will be presented by Sukhman Singh.
Can you change the slide, please?
Yeah, wait.
What is the importance to learn for the manager about the indigenous people? So, first of all, it is very crucial for them to know about the people they are working with or on their land. So, first of all, the factor is about to reduce risk, any kind of risk, because they are dealing with the local community. So, they should know about their values and customs before they start any project. Moreover, they should respect their privacy as well as their ethical values. That are over, they should not make anything, or they should not hurt their feelings as well as. Moreover, they should follow the legal advisory that is set by the local government. They should adhere to the indigenous local rights over them. They should not infringe their rights. With that, the last one is they should respect their privacy, because it is as we are the newcomers and we are working on their land, so we should keep a gap between us. We should respect their privacy. That would be really helpful for us to remain and get a proper success in any kind of project. So we should look at these factors before working on any project. Thank you. The next slide will be presented by my friend.
So after having a long discussion, we are moving towards the conclusion of our presentation. I think project managers must knowledge about the Red River Metis tribe while doing the projects on the Turtle Island or the different kinds of things, because I think the project is to take all the social interactions or all the social persons with you. So after that, the project will be successful, because if we know about the risk mitigations of the and the awareness of the different kinds of culture, only then we can make some right decisions and to take some communities with us, because there are many things like the community will offend if we take some wrong decisions. So I think it would be good if the project managers will know about the different kinds of cultures and how they treat and how they talk to each other. And moreover, I think the all of the which result is more respectful and productive interaction with the communities, because if we interact with the community, we do with the the project with the more helpful, and our team members will sometimes belong from the different culture, so we talk about the things with them as well. So I think this is the conclusion from my side, and I am going from to the next slide of the references, so like where we take the projects and where we take all the things. So these are the references we take from the different sites and the books. So we want to thank to the I want to thank to my team members as well as the sources to from where I took the presentations, and I really want to thank to the my team members Sukhman, Sagar, Indrapal, and Geeta Rani, who helped me to make the presentation as well and to make the content of this presentation. So really thank you to all, and thanks to the Algoma
Thank you.
University as well.